Let me ask you a question. What are you going to do? Some will decide to go to college or work a job, perhaps move out of town and go to Los Angeles or New York. But the reality for thousands of Honduran migrants is to leave. Escape the perpetuate violence, abandon the corruption, and crawl out of poverty. This is the dream for many of these migrants. But it doesn't have to be this way. We can look to this resolution and better their lives. So stand with me, representatives, and support Resolution P8 as we first discern the source of Honduran migration. Secondly, evaluate proposed solutions. And finally, correlate intervention and stability. The driving factor for a myriad of the issues outlined in the resolution can be summarized as drugs. It's a well-known fact that illegal substances such as cocaine, narcotics, opioids are extraordinarily profitable. Coincidentally, the market for these substances is right above them, America. Inside Crime notes that in 2016, there were 12 million cocaine users, and Science Daily finds in 2019, the market for these substances was nearly $150 billion in the US alone. It's obvious to see the reason for the formulation of numerous gang, cartels, and drug trafficking organizations. The reason why so many continue to thrive is through bribing officials with dirty money. Gang Integrity displays Honduran corruption in 2016, where bribery has polluted the government in all sectors, public, judicial, and customs to name a few. This corrupt government has had hundreds of millions of USD embezzled, taking money from the public infrastructure and crippling the masses. This dangerous repertoire between bribery and embezzlement is best summarized in a quote by Percy Bysshe Shelley. As the rich get richer, the poor get poorer. Without American intervention, corruption will continue to reign. Cartels will thrive and poverty will rise. The proposition of reinstating the U.S.'s aerial marine drug interdiction and counter-narcotic operations couldn't be more necessary. Once more in 2016, Inside Crime documents Honduras' inability to adequately combat aerial drug trafficking. It stated despite Honduras' claims of nearly eradicating aerial drug trafficking operations, numerous counts and cases of abandoned airstrips used by drug traffickers continue to prevail. It's largely suspected that many of these security officials accepted bribes and allowed these illegal operations to continue. Evidently, in the case of exterminating drug cartels, U.S. intervention is necessary, seeing as numerous bribes can and will be taken by local officials. In many cases, American intervention is beneficial to the country receiving aid. In past occurrences, U.S. GLC outlined in 2019 between the years 2013 and 2016, with U.S. aid and the State Department community policing youth programs decreased homicide rates in risky areas up to 73%. Their investments in agriculture also lifted 89,000 out of extreme poverty. While American military intervention may be disproven and bashed, though methods previously described and those outlined in the resolution, solvency can be provided to Honduras and Honduran migrants can be reduced.